everyone, so we are back on your favorite learning platform Learn Forward and we are going to study from Feathercap People and Places. This is chapter number 14, Delhi, the heart of India. So in the last chapter we have studied about Mumbai, which is the one of the biggest metropolitan city. Delhi is the another famous metropolitan city of India. So in this chapter we are going to study about the famous places as we studied in the Mumbai, the famous places, the famous religion places, or the where tourists can visit, the famous buildings of the government, important buildings of the government, which are located in Delhi. So why it is known as the heart of India? First, it is the national capital, and second, all the peoples from the parts different all the parts of the country live in the Delhi. So Delhi is also known as a mini India. So I hope you are ready with your books. Let's start now. Delhi is located between the states of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So, this is your Uttar Pradesh, this is Haryana, and this is your Delhi. The river Yamuna passes through the eastern part of the city. So, the river Yamuna crosses the Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. It has been the capital of many kings and has been built and rebuilt several times. Delhi जो है इंडिया का कैपिटल है और ये बहुत सारे किंग्स हु हैव रूल्ड इंडिया, दे हैव मेड दिल्ली देयर कैपिटल. उन्होंने अपने अकॉर्डिंग दिल्ली को बनाया, उससे बिल्ड किया और बहुत बार रीबिल्ड भी किया. इट इज बिलीव दैट द सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली वाज फर्स्ट बिल्ड बाय द पांडवा किंग्स. सो इट इज बिलीव दैट द दिल्ली वाज बिल्ड बाय द पांडव्स. नाउ इट वाज देन कॉल्ड इंद्रप्रस्थ. जब पांडव ने इसे बनाया था तब इसे इंद्रप्रस्थ बोला जाता था. Thousands of years later, a king known as Shah Jahan rebuilt the city and named it Shahjahanabad. फिर हजारों सालों बाद the king Shahjahan came in Delhi and he rebuilt the Delhi and he named it as Shahjahanabad. New Delhi was the capital of India by the English. So by the English means the Britishers make the New Delhi the capital of India. It was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. It is now the National Capital Territory of India. So this was a British officer who decided to make the New Delhi as the capital of India, and it is now the National Capital Territory of India. The government of India has its main office in Delhi. So the main offices, the main buildings or the important buildings are all located in Delhi. Our president, prime minister, central minister live and work in Delhi. So all the people who are related to the central government are all located in Delhi. Ambassadors of another country also stay in Delhi. So the ambassadors from the different countries from whole world, they live in Delhi. They represent their countries in India. So Delhi में वो रहते हैं और they represent their countries in India. Delhi is the union territory, so it is also known as a union territory. UT basically हमने पढ़ा है there are 8 union territories in India, so Delhi is one of them. The offices of the national कैपिटल ऑफ टेरिटरी आर लोकेटेड हेयर. सो जो ऑफिसेज हैं वो सब यहाँ पे एनसीटी के ऑफिसेज, बेसिकली दिल्ली के ऑफिसेज सब यहाँ पे लोकेटेड है. पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल स्टेट्स इन इंडिया लिव हियर, देयरफॉर दिल्ली इज नोन एज मिनी इंडिया. सो अलग अलग जगहों से लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं पूरी कंट्री से. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज अ मिनी इंडिया. The president of our country lives in a grand building called the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So the house of the president is basically Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is located in Delhi. It has beautiful gardens called Mughal Gardens, और इसके साथ राष्ट्रपति भवन के साथ मुगल gardens है. The garden remains open for the public during the spring season for some days. So थोड़े time के लिए spring season में उस garden को to people so that people can visit them, it is opened. Now the new building shaped like a triangle constructed from 2020 to 2023 right next to old round Parliament House. So you can see this is old Parliament which is at the back. It is round in shape, and this is a new Parliament which is triangular in shape. It is constructed from 2020 to 2023. So it took 3 years to construct the triangular new Parliament. Now the Central Secretariat is the main office of the central government. So Central Secretariat is the main office for the central government. Other big government offices are located in Krishi Bhavan, Udyog Bhavan, Nirman Bhavan. So other than your Central Secretariat, the main important offices or government are located in Krishi Bhavan, Udyog Bhavan and Nirman Bhavan. Now Delhi is an international trading and industrial center. Delhi जो है एक international trading center भी है और एक industrial center भी है. There are many factories in and around Delhi. So यहाँ पे factories दिल्ली के अंदर भी हैं और दिल्ली के आसपास भी हैं. There are also many business houses in Delhi. Big markets like Chandni Chowk, Connaught Place, etc. are always like a big, look like a big fair. So यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी markets हैं from where the people from whole country visit here. So these very famous markets are your Chandni Chowk and Connaught Place. So ये all round the year इतनी decorated रहती है, इतनी happening रहती है that it always look like that there is a fair. Now there is another famous market which is Sadar. It is a very big market and a wholesale market. People of different language, different food habits and different customs live in Delhi. There are people from every part of country and many countries in the world. So Delhi में खाली हमारी country के लोग नहीं, हम बहुत अलग दूसरी countries के लोग भी आपको यहाँ पे मिलेंगे. They learn about one another and work together. So the people learn about one another cultures, traditions, and they all work together and live together. The main language is Hindi. All the national and religious festivals are celebrated in Delhi with great pomp and show. जितने भी festivals हैं या जितने भी religious festivals हैं, national festivals हैं, they are celebrated with great pomp and show irrespective of any culture. National and international games and sports are held in different stadiums. So Delhi has a lot of stadiums, so a lot of national games and international games and sports are held in these stadiums. Now the climate of Delhi is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. It receives heavy rains of monsoons during July and September. So जो climate है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है गर्मियों में और सर्दियों में बहुत सर्दी होती है और it receives heavy rainfall. So there is a heavy rainfall in the monsoon season which is your July and September. Now Delhi has some of the India's most modern roads, bridges, flyovers. There is a good network of transport in Delhi. So Delhi में बहुत सारी states को connect करता है आपस में and it also has a lot of modern roads, bridges and flyovers. The buses, local trains and other vehicles run around the clock. So buses, local trains और दूसरे vehicles भी जो हैं आपको 24/7 वहाँ मिलेंगे. Thousands of buses and hundreds of trains come and leave Delhi every day. So a lot of buses and a lot of trains come in Delhi and leave it every day. Now, Indira Gandhi International Airport, formerly known as Palam Airport in Delhi, is one of the biggest airport in India. So, जो Indira Gandhi International Airport है, पहले उसे Palam Airport बोलते थे. Palam Airport नाम था पहले. It was changed to Indira Gandhi Airport. It is the biggest airports of India. It is the second biggest. So first is your Kolkata. Sorry, it is one of the biggest airports in India. Delhi is the second city after Kolkata to have metro train. So in India, the first city to have metro train is your Kolkata and second one Delhi. Now Delhi is a beautiful city. It has many big parks, old and new buildings worth visiting. Delhi एक बहुत beautiful city है. यहाँ पे बहुत पुरानी monuments हैं और ऐसे places हैं which are worth visiting. It is full of tourist attractions. So there are a lot of places where tourists can visit. A large number of people from the states and abroad visit Delhi. So there are a lot of people from the different states or the different parts of the world come to visit Delhi. Now the Red Fort is made up of a red sandstone. You can see that it is made up of a red sandstone. It was built by Shah Jahan. So Shah Jahan built Red Fort. The Prime Minister of the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag on the Red Fort every year on 15th August. So on every Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag on Red Fort of India. Now, India Gate was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who lost their lives in the First World War. So, during the First World War, many soldiers of India lost their lives. So, India Gate was built in their memory and the names of these soldiers are engraved on this gate. A broad road Rajpath joins India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. So, एक चौड़ी सी road है वहाँ पे which joins the Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. उसे राजपथ बोला जाता है. The president takes salute of grand parade here on the Republic Day. So, here president takes the salute of the grand parade. The parade starts from Vijay Chowk, Rajpath and ends at Red Fort. So, Vijay Chowk से start होती है, Rajpath से आते आते it ends on Red Fort. Now, Samadhi of the father of nation, which is your Mahatma Gandhi, it is made at Rajghat, Delhi. The Qutub Minar is a very tall building. There is a very old iron pillar near it. This has never there has never any rust on this pillar till today. So Qutub Minar is one of the famous monument of Delhi. It is a very old and tall building. It is basically it has the iron pillar which and it जो iron होता है उसके ऊपर rust बहुत जल्दी लगता है, but this iron pillar never has rust on it. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has beautiful Mughal gardens. It is the biggest residence of any president in the world. So you can see the president is the head of the country. President का जो राष्ट्रपति भवन है वो इंडिया में का जो राष्ट्रपति भवन है basically where president lives, वो वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा कोई घर है जो जहाँ पे प्रेसिडेंट डिसाइड करते हैं. The Nehru Planetarium, Zoological Park, Buddha Jayanti Park, National Museum and Science Center are worth seeing. So these are some other places where you can visit. Now some famous religious buildings which are related to religion, जो मंदिर है या मस्जिद है, गुरुद्वारा है, कौन कौन से हैं? Your Birla Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, Akshardham Temple, Lal Mandir, St. James Church, Jama Masjid, Gurdwara Seesganj. The Baha'i Lotus Temple is built in the shape of a lotus flower dome. So there is a Baha'i temple which is your lotus temple. It is shaped like a lotus. Now Jantar Mantar is an old observatory which measures the motion of the sun, the moon and the planets. So एक ऐसी observatory बनाई गई थी जो कि sun का measure करता है movement, moon का और planets का. Now Akshardham Temple holds the Guinness World Record of being the world's largest comprehension Hindu temple. So Akshardham is the world's largest Hindu temple. It has also got the Guinness World Record. Now classroom activity, national buildings in Delhi. So national buildings you can write Rashtrapati Bhavan, and another thing you can write Rashtrapati Bhavan except Udyog Bhavan or Nirman Bhavan. You can check the second page. Second, religious buildings. So religious buildings are your Jama Masjid, Akshardham Temple, Gurdwara Seesganj. Places of general interest, Nehru Planetarium, Zoological Park, Buddha Jayanti Park. So you can write any of them in this classroom activity. Now assess yourself. Take the correct answer first. On the bank of which river is Delhi situated? So Delhi is situated on the bank of Yamuna. So B is right. The Red Fort is made of dash. So Red Fort is made up of a red sandstone. The Parliament House is a dash building. So the old Parliament was circular and round in shape, but the new Parliament is triangular in shape. Now the Samadhi of the Mahatma Gandhi is at, so Mahatma Gandhi's Samadhi is at Rajghat. Fill in the blanks. There is a dash parade on the Republic Day. So there is a grand parade on the Republic Day. Second, Delhi is the dash of India. Delhi is the capital of India. The President of India lives in, so as we know that he lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now fourth, the Central Secretariat is the main office of dash government. So Central Secretariat is the main office of central government. The President takes the dash of the Republic Day parade. He takes the salute of the Republic Day parade. Take the correct sentence and cross the wrong ones. First, there are number of stadiums in Delhi. Yes, that is right. Delhi is a hill station. No, it is a plain area. Third, on Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort. It is correct. The Mughal gardens are located in the Red Fort. No, they are located in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The monsoon comes to Delhi in the month of October. No, it starts from the July till September. Name the following question. Answer the following questions first. Name the important people who live in Delhi. So the government, our president, prime minister, central minister live and work in Delhi. Ambassadors of other countries also stay in Delhi. So this is your answer number 1. These are the people who live and work in Delhi. Now question number 2. Which river flows through Delhi? So Yamuna flows to the east side of the Delhi. It's Yamuna. Third, name the neighboring states of Delhi. So the neighboring states of Delhi are Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Fourth, why is Delhi called the mini India? Delhi is known as mini India because the people from all parts of the country live here and work here. That is why it is known as mini India. In whose memory India Gate was built? So the India Gate was built in the memory of the soldiers who died in the First World War. So if you have any problem, you can check the answers in the book as well. I hope you have understood it well. If you have any problem, you can watch it again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.